Hi guys, it's your girl Diva. Welcome to my channel. As you can see from the title, I'm going to be doing a Valentine's makeup look for you ladies out there who are figuring out what am I going to do, what I'm going to wear, how I'm going to do my makeup. Like, don't stress yourself. But yeah guys, I've had a stressful week. I haven't been well, but I'm getting better now. So I thought I wasn't going to film. Should I film? Should I not film? But I thought, you know what? Go nay. Before I get into my video, please hit that subscribe button, making sure all your notification bells are on. So when the girl turns up, you know what time it is. Right guys, I've done my eyebrows off camera, as you guys can see. If you want to know how I get my eyebrows like this, in the description box below there's a link to a video of how I get my eyebrows like this. Right guys, I'm going to start off with the eyeshadow. I'm going to be using the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place, and I shall be taking these two colours to do just a simple eyeshadow look guys. Let's take a little bit of this concealer and put it on my eyelids, just a little bit. I'm going to take Juvia's Place setting powder in the colour White Sands. I'm going to set my eyelids before I do this eyeshadow a little bit. Yeah, I'm just going to take this brush, this pink right here. I'm just going to blend it around my eye, just pat it like that. Juvia's is very pigmented guys. So I'm going to take this brush and the spray, and I'm going to take this colour right here and put it on top of my eyelids. So like a cut crease guys, it's literally just freestyle. No need for like, you know, it's not a cut crease, it's a simple makeup look. Let me just finish the other eye. So guys, I finished the eye look. I would recommend you do eyeshadow first, just in case you get fallout and then you make a mistake and you just get stressed and you're like, yeah, you have to cancel your date. You know, we don't want that. So I'm going to take the Revelation, say the Bible, Revolution Pore Blur primer. Any pores you have, it will just make your makeup look seamless. The foundation I'm going to be using is the e.l.f. Flawless Finish Foundation. It's like my go-to foundation. I have pumped it on to my little foundation board, or whatever you want to call it. I'm just going to tap it and deliver more. I've finished rubbing in my foundation, and the next step for me now is to do the concealer. I'm going to take the e.l.f. 16-hour Cameo Concealer. This is literally my go-to concealer. Like, this concealer is the one. Like, literally the creases under your eye, it keeps mine stable. I'm just going to place it here and just here. So now I'm gonna go back in with this setting powder, Juvia's Place in White Sands. Just place it right under my eye. I'm gonna restore some color back to my face. The Juvia's Place bronze, and this is in the color tan, and I'm going to be taking this color here. Just highlight it just a little bit underneath. And now I'm going to take this brush and just, you know, just blend out the excess powder. Blend out the harsh lines. I'm going to take my MAC powder, but in dark, mineralized skin finish. I'm taking the Maybelline Big Lash. I'm just going to place that literally just under my eyes. Like, who does this when they put a mascara on? This does like a funny look. Alright guys, I'm going to be taking these bad boys. So guys, I've put my lashes on, as you guys can see, guys, and I am going to use the Juvia's Place Sahara Blush palette. I'm going to take the pink and the orange. The pink one's called Zane and the orange one's called Toby, and I'm just going to mix the two together. You start off very little, like just literally very light. You don't want it too harsh. As you guys can see. Now same for the other side. Guys, you're looking cute or whatever. You can keep for your man, your husband, your boyfriend, whatever. Your link. Whatever you guys do, it's not my business. But yeah, just make sure you be looking cute. So now I'm gonna take my favorite of all time, MUA Academy lip liner. You find this in Superdrug, and this is in the color Obsession. Banging, guys. It's my favorite lip liner. I use it all the time, literally. So just go around my lip. And then I'm going to place this Peaches and Cream lip gloss in the colour Backtrack. Get yourself TikTok shop. And then I'm going to place it here. And just to finish off this face, I'm going to take the Revolution Pro 4K highlighter palette. I like to place that in the middle of my head. And then use this color right here, just to this here. Just that touch, baby. This is how you guys are going to be looking for your men. Let me spray my face. Got that. Elf setting spray. All nighter. Spray. And then guys, you're done. Like, you're actually done. Literally like done. So if you guys like what you see, please give this video a big thumbs up, comment, like, share, the whole shebang. And secondly, I want to say happy Valentine's Day to all of you people out there who are enjoying. Hopefully you ladies have found some little inspiration of a little makeup look that you want to do, and hopefully you guys, yeah, just take it on board. Just take your time. Doesn't need to rush. The more you rush, the more it may not come out how you want. And then guys, enjoy your Valentine's Day, whatever you do. Okay, so I am gonna go, my people, and love you all. All you guys, all the love, all the love. Bye guys, love you all.